Welcome to Sounds of Worship, a sacred place where melodies meet the Spirit of God. May this song draw you closer to His presence. Don't forget to subscribe and worship with us daily.
Don't sell Jesus for silver or gold. This world gets rich, but hearts grow cold. They'll buy your smile, but steal your peace, and leave you lost when riches cease. You don't need fame to walk His way, just faith that shines through darkest day. No throne is worth a soul betrayed. Don't trade the cross for worldly praise. Don't sell Jesus, don't turn around. No earthly prize is worth that crown. He gave His life, He paid it all. So don't be fooled when idols call. They'll offer you a kingdom wide, but far from Him, it's dead inside. Their promises are made of sand, but Jesus holds you in His hand. Remember blood that washed you clean. Not all that glitters is what it seems. Hold on to grace and don't let go. He's more than all this world can show. Even when roads get rough and long, I'll stand on truth and sing this song. He's all I need, my Savior friend. My love for Him won't ever end. Don't sell Jesus, don't turn around. No earthly prize is worth that crown. He gave His life, He paid it all. So don't be fooled when idols call. So don't sell Jesus, hold Him near. He's worth far more than all down here. When this world fades and all is dust, you'll find your hut, your hope in Him you trust.